Hello, Paul. Today we're going to be talking about boundaries, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Our online workshop, which is going to be on Saturday evening Australian time, Saturday morning UK time. So tell us all about it, Dee.
Yes, well, boundaries is one of those really interesting topics because it is where the energetic and the physical really meet, and we can actually feel this immediately. Our boundaries, our physical boundaries, is how we actually like to relate to people on a physical place, but we also have emotional and energetic boundaries, which is how close we let people come in. And I mean, come into our sphere and get to know the real us and get to know the depth of our personality and being. And there's always like a relationship or a co-relationship between the two. Sometimes we literally physically step away from people that we don't want to be near us and make us feel vulnerable, and other times we want to pull people close, especially those that we really love and who we want to be very intimate with. So the whole idea of boundaries is very interesting, and sometimes it can be a bit of a merging or an undefined quality to boundaries, and we're going to be exploring that as well.
Yes, I think the potential is there for a lot of healing to take place with this. It's all really about us being in our center with our energy system, with some mindfulness about our energy system, so that we can actually choose whether we choose to interact and be closer to another, or if we choose to keep our own energy system to ourselves. Of course, there can be distortions both ways. Distortions if we just merge with whatever's going on around us and we have no very strong sense of ourself. That's one way. And the opposite way to that is if we so much keep ourselves like an impenetrable wall around us that we don't allow ourselves to interact or connect with anybody else, but hold ourselves like in a fortress. So that's the extremes. And we need to find a way to help you. If there are any wounds or ways of interacting and sensing ourselves, which are perhaps not as we would truly wish them to be.
That's it. And it is about exploring that and actually seeing how you can heal from things that could be preventing you from opening up to others. And there is a lot of exploration in this workshop through our beautiful meditations and sharing. So I do hope that you can come join us. Once again, this workshop will be on this weekend on Saturday, and we hope to see you there.
Thank you very much for watching and listening.
Bye bye.